I'm in Wales at Sweetlam, which is this incredible place where you can come and enjoy the Ducati rider experience. Now Sweetlam are really known for their off-road skills and off-road riding. You can come here and you can ride a Desert X and find out how that bike really works and enjoy it in some really complicated places. But what they have here now is a road experience, which we've just enjoyed on the new Ducati Multistrada V4. And I also rode the Rally and I also rode the V2. And they're all incredible bikes. It's been a really long time since I had to go on Multistrada. I also own a Desert X, so I'm very sort of comfortable with the idea of those big V-twin adventure style motorcycles. And I have to say, I was really blown away by the V4 and by the V2. They're amazing motorcycles to ride. And they really are a bit of a one-stop shop when it comes to those motorcycles that do pretty much everything. But the experience here hasn't just been about riding the motorcycles and working out just quite how amazing they are. It's also been about enjoying the experience and being led around by the guys at Sweetlam to enjoy everything that Wales has to offer. And it's absolutely stunning. Riding through the hills, through the valleys, riding across the dams, stunning countryside and really well organised, really well led. Also great hotels, great food. And I have to say it's the perfect combination of spending time with nice people on fantastic motorcycles and really getting to see some beautiful countryside and discovering what these motorcycles can do. Obviously, I have to talk about the Multistrada. It's an incredible motorcycle. It now has the V4S engine in it, and it really is an incredibly tractable machine. It's one of those motorcycles, it has so much electronics packed into it that you really don't have to think about it. You get on the bike and it's doing the job for you, never mind the fact that it's got heated grips and a heated seat and adjustable screen, and the suspension is doing all the thinking for you. The package that it comes with is quite incredible. But I'm not really going to go on about all of that stuff because the professional journalists will cover it. It's extremely Googleable. And really what I want to get across is that if you're interested in riding any of these motorcycles, come to Sweetlam, enjoy the Ducati rider experience, and you really won't regret it.